happy sort of tickle, a cozy kind of tickle that promises magic is near. Feeling restless, he decides to go for a slow, shuffling walk, his soft little feet making no sound on the mossy floor. And his walk leads him, as it often does, to the edge of the Stardust stream. This is no ordinary stream. It does not flow with water, but with something far more magical, liquid night sky. Its currents are slow and dark, and deep within its depths, tiny motes of captured starlight drift like sleepy fish. Usually the stream hums with a gentle light, a song that the forest remembers from the beginning of time. But tonight, the stream is unusually quiet. The light within it is faint, and its song is just a whisper, almost lost in the stillness. NNA's Pipkin gazes into the dark, quiet water. He sees a gentle movement near the bank. It is a large, perfect maple leaf, its edges curled up just so, floating like